Otakus with the style. On this video, I'm going to react and evaluate haircuts for an anime character. Let's go! Killua the Hunter x Hunter, is it possible to do in real life? Yes, the haircut can be done, but to achieve that color is going to be very hard if it's not impossible. To style the hair like this, you're going to have kind of straight hair with a lot of volume. You're definitely going to need a lot of product to fix this style and keep it looking great. This is one of those styles that you can use for cosplay, but I would suggest that you buy yourself a wig and style it like that. This style is going to look good on face shapes than they are elongated. I won't suggest that if your face is too wide. This is definitely a traditional anime hairstyle. It's called a pixie hairstyle. For rankings, I'm going to give this style a B. Love the color, love the action, but I think it's going to be hard for people to do it at home. Misato from the show Evangelion. This definitely can be done on real life. This style is what we used to call on the 80s a bi-level. So basically, it's short on this area and long on the back. Okay, I said it. This looks like a mole for a woman. And she even has those bangs from the 80s. But I'm really in love with that color. It's fantastic. I am going to give it an A. Why? Because if you want to look cool, this is a style for you. I promise you this haircut and color is going to turn heads. Momo the Boku no Hero Academia. Interesting. Not really. It's not interesting her hairstyle. It's too plain. Definitely this is one of those styles that you can do in real life. Momo hair looks great when it's on the ponytail, but it's almost impossible to do that with your own real hair. If you want to rock this style, I suggest that you color your hair black, very shiny, and then you do a very soft makeup to create that contrast. And don't forget to add a little bit of Momo's personality. I give this style a B. You're going to have to work with the fly iron to make the hairstyle shiny, and you're going to have to work on that makeup to make this pop. This style is going to be perfect if you have a thick hair and it's very straight and black. Rei the Evangelion. I love this look. Very cool. Definitely you can all do this style if you have the right hair. This is what is considered a layer bob. If you want to look like an anime character and it's still realistic, this is the look for you. But you need to get that hair color. Please go to a professional if you want to get this hair color, and it's going to be easier if your hair is not super dark. This is the first time I give it an S to style. Love the color and those pointy bangs, and it shows off the eyes. Love it. Naruto, the young Naruto. I need to do this haircut for the channel. I love this. 100% you can do this on real life. This is not going to be hard to maintain. The only thing, if you do the color, you are going to actually have to keep up with the color, which is always a thing when you do this type of colors. I will think this is going to be a great style for someone who's kind of young. I would say somewhere in between 14 to 17 years old. I think that would work well for you. You gotta have a lot of personality and a little bit rebel too. I love this guy. He always has the orange and blue colors, my colors. If you're in Dallas, Texas, and you like to get this hairstyle, I'm looking for a model. I'm going to give Naruto style a B. Why a B? I love the style, but I think this is going to be hard for a lot of people to be able to have it. But if you can rock it, you are going to be king. I don't know, it maybe looks like a crown.